Hi, today we're going to be talking about relations and functions. Let's get started. So a relation is a set of ordered pairs. So in the graph below, you can see that this graph is made out of a lot of ordered pairs. So this graph is a relation. Now a function is a type of relation, so it's still part of this relation category, so it's a special type of relation where for every x there is one y. So for example, for this x, there's only one y. For this x, there's only one y. For this x, there is only one y somewhere up here if this kept continuing. Okay? So, let's see. So, to represent this in a Venn diagram, functions are inside of this bigger category of relations. I just want to make that very clear. So now I'm going to teach a little trick to tell if a relation is a function or not. It's called the vertical line test. So for example, I have a graph right here. What I do is if I were to draw a bunch of vertical lines, each of these vertical lines should only have one point through it. Okay? So it should only have one intersection point with the graph. If it has two or more, then it is not a function. So let's try it on this example. So when I draw a bunch of vertical lines, as you see, I'm getting two intersection points. This means this is not a function. Well, this is a function. Okay? So let's do some examples and see whether it is a function, if these relationships are a function or not. Okay, so the first one, let's do our vertical line test. So I'm drawing a bunch of vertical lines. Do any of them intersect 2 times or more? No, so it is a function. It passes the vertical line test. Now let's do it for the second one. Well, when I do it for the second one, there is certainly more than more than one intersection point. Say, for example, in this line, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is not a function. Okay, let's do the last one. So I'm going to draw a bunch of vertical lines. And even though it's an odd-looking relation, it is a function because at no time are there more than one intersection point. So it is a function. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.